Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, joining as a member. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this 9-piece jigsaw pillow. It's actually a pillow. I'm going to show you guys how to fill it and everything. And also you can make it in 4 pieces. Now you're going to need one of the patterns I'm going to make out of the 3 patterns, and I'm going to tell you guys which one it is when we get there. In my previous videos, I've been showing you guys how to make pillow covers, envelope pillow covers, body pillow covers. Guys, they are amazing. Go check them out. But in this video, it's about this jigsaw pillow itself. If you'd like to get yours, it's on Zenny Studio Live on Instagram. The link will be in the description box so you guys can go check it out. And let's just get started with this amazing video. So guys, we're going to be needing 3 pattern papers, and our pattern is going to be 3 different patterns. Remember, it's 9 pieces you're going to need. 4 out of those pieces will be with one out of those pieces will be with one other one, and the remaining 4 will be with 4. Now guys, the paper I have here is 10 inches by 10 inches, and I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to create your curve basically. So now if you have 12 inches by 12 inches, I'm going to tell you the measurement as well on what to cut out for your curve. So when I get to that point, I'm going to leave it on the screen for suggestions on if you're using a 12 by 12 paper or a 15 by 15 inches paper. So in my case, it's 10 by 10 inches, and I'm going to be using 2.5 inches. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to cut out the 2.5 inches. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to fold it into two equal parts. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure 2.5 inches all around. So I'm going to take my measuring tape and I'm going to start measuring 2.5 inches, creating a curve. So I'm measuring it from this corner, the folded corner, 2.5 inches. So I'm going to connect these points together. And now I'm going to cut it out. So guys, can you see what it looks like? I have created my curve. Once you've cut it, make sure you keep this separate. Don't throw it away. Leave this and keep it separate because we're going to still be using this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now take my second one and I'm going to use this curve to trace it along this part right here. Can you guys see what it looks like? This is the curve right here. And then on the final paper, I'm going to trace it out on all the 4 sides. All the 4 sides. Now guys, once those are drawn, you're going to cut out all the circles, all the semicircles. Now guys, we've cut it out. Can you see what it looks like? This is the middle piece. This is all for this particular pattern. And then for this one, you are going to take it just the way it is like this. You are going to put this on this side. So you're going to find the center of this. And then you're going to align the center of this one as well. So it's right beside it, not on top of it, right beside it. And then you're going to take your paper tape or your cello tape and you're going to use it to put it together. So this is all for this particular pattern. Then we're going to take this one. So facing like this, you're going to put one of these up here and up here. So here and here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to first find the middle of this as well, then find the middle of this side. And I'm going to place it up here. So guys, I'm going to cut this out of my fabric. So remember, this is 4 pieces, 4 panels. This as well is 4 panels. Then this is 1 panel. So each of them, this one is 2 pieces. So you know you need your front and back piece. So cut out 2 pieces for this, 8 pieces for this, and 8 pieces for this as well. So with that, you're going to have your pattern pieces ready on your fabric. Cut them on your fabric, whatever fabric you want to use, however you want to match it, mix it, is up to you. So I'm going to cut this out and I'll show you guys what next to do. Guys, I have cut it out. Can you guys see what it looks like? This is this one and this. So like I said, you can use any pattern that you want, any piece, any fabric basically that you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove my pins. And this method I'm about to tell you is what you're going to use for the remaining ones. So you're going to take one piece and place it right sides facing another piece. So you can mix it up. I'm going to mix it up just like this. So I'm going to place it right sides facing each other. And then you're going to sew it all around, but you're going to leave a small gap. So that gap is to turn it inside out. So sew it all around, leave a small gap, then continue sewing till you get to this side. So sew it all around, leave a small gap, turn it inside out, then we'll move to the next stage. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it. Can you guys see what it looks like? Before you turn it, make sure this is snipped. All the curves are snipped. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take my scrap pieces. Now I have these scrap pieces a lot. You can use foam, you can use cotton wool, you can use anything. In my case, all my scraps from when I'm cutting my fabric and the remaining, I have shredded them. And that's what I'm going to be using for my pillow. So I'm just going to take it and start putting it inside. So once you put it, just make sure you are filling in all these corners right here, all the corners, all the pokes, just fill it in very well. And then once you're done with that, you're going to have something that looks somewhat like this. So can you see? And after you've done that, we're going to finish up this open space. And to do that, you're going to take your needle and thread and you're going to make sure the seam is inside. So the sewing allowance is inside, and you're going to start sewing from where you stopped sewing. And you're going to just continue sewing just like that, going under and over. So just like this. So can you see from the front to the back, from the front to the back? So just keep sewing, and when you get to the end, you finish off your stitch with a knot, and then you're going to have your piece ready. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm arranging it. It's going to look beautiful. So guys, I'm going to start with my favorite piece, which is this one that looks like a drone. I love it so much. So I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to walk around everything and build the whole jigsaw puzzle with it. Guys, this is amazing. I love how it's turned out. I love how it looks. It is beautiful. It is everything I wanted, the size that I wanted, and it's just perfect. Now, if you want it as four pieces, all you need to do is pick that particular piece that we did, so the four pieces of that particular pattern, and they're going to place it together just like I'm doing right here. Now, like I said, you can order on Instagram at Zenny Studio Life. The link is down below so you guys can check it out. I also have stools, so many amazing things, eco-friendly, sustainable pieces. Guys, this represents me to a T, and I would love you guys to be a part of this journey with me. Yes, guys, that's all I have for this amazing tutorial. I hope you guys love it. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my followers and even here on YouTube. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a member, membership gives you access to videos firsthand on this channel, and videos that will probably never ever make it to the public is only going to be on my memberships platform. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.